How you look so perfect on your worst days.
Hey guys, I'm back. My name is Ashley. If you're new and if you're not new, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. This is the look that I usually run to when I want to go run some errands or when I feel like I want to get a little bit glammed up and not do anything too extra. I do want to point out that this is not my everyday makeup routine, as in I don't wear this look every day. I don't know who does wear makeup every day, and if you do, honey girl, sister girl. Anyway, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so to begin, I'm just gonna clip my hair back like I normally do. I do also want to point out that I did already moisturize and prep my skin. So that's already done. My skin is very nicely moist, Why can't I talk? My skin is really nice and moisturized today, and I feel like I want to add some contacts so this looks kind of like spruce it up just a little bit. So I'm going to be taking these contacts. I don't know where they're from. If I remember them, I will try and put them in the description box. But they're regular gray contacts, and I know the ones I get the ones that make your eyes look a little bit bigger. I forgot what they're called. But circle lens. I get the circle lens. To start off, first I'm going to prep my skin. I'm going to be using this Boscia No Pores No Shine T-Zone treatment, and this goes right in your T-zone like the name says, but I put it basically everywhere like a primer. So next I'm grabbing any concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 30 Cafe. I'm just going to be prepping my eyelids. Oh, my eyebrows are already done, as you guys can already tell. I did it off camera because they take me a while to do, especially now that I haven't tinted them or waxed them. Once that is applied, you're of course going to blend this out. I'm using this fluffy brush from Away Studio, $1. Once that is done, I'm going to be taking this Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in medium deep in number 30. Taking that same brush that I used to blend out my concealer, taking the tiniest bit of powder just to set that concealer. So usually on days like these, I don't put a lot of eyeshadow on. I basically don't even wear eyeshadow unless I'm filming a video or going somewhere like fancy. So I'm taking the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be taking these two browns right here, just mixing it up to get a shade similar to my eyelid. So I'm going to be mixing these two colors here, this brown down here and this brown down here and this brown up here. So I'm just going to be patting into both, knock off the excess, and just apply that all over my lid. And I do this because I want to give my eyelid just a little bit of color without going too crazy. So I just mix a couple browns together and then boom. So next I'm going to be applying lashes, and the lash for this day, it just depends on how I'm feeling. If I'm feeling dramatic, if I'm feeling like a little bit simple that day. Today I'm feeling kind of dramatic, so I'm just going to be picking up some dramatic pairs. And to apply them, I'm going to be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I recently just got this and I really like it. I finally stopped using bonding glue. So the lashes I ended up using are from Shili Shang Pin. I got this from eBay a while ago and it's in the number 62. If I can find the link in my order history, I will link it down below for you guys, of course. So the primer I'm using is the e.l.f. primer. It's the minimum used one, and this is only about like $6, $5.
Purchase your tracks today.
I don't have much. Okay, it's done. Okay, so I have my other primer right here. I'm going to take this a little bit of that because we already applied the T-Zone Pore Corrector. Apply that mainly under my eyes. For foundation, I'm going to be using a mixture of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and the Fit Me Matte Poreless. The Can't Stop Won't Stop is in the shade Nutmeg, and the Mine Poreless is in the shade 335 Classic Tan. I'm going to be grabbing about, let's say, like 3 pumps of the Can't Stop Won't Stop. 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 Anyway, I'm taking some of the Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm going to take like 2 pumps. I don't want to put on too much. Then a little bit of the matte. What is with me and foundations today? I'm going to be adding this oil to my foundation to kind of loosen it up and also give me that extra moisture. This is from Revolution. It's still baking oil.
Purchase your tracks today.
So next I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color Caramel. And I'm just going to be doing the regular old V under my eyes. I have my trustier beauty blender damp, of course. I'm just going to blend this out. Then I'm going to contour my face with this Revolution concealer and what price is it? C16. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. And I'm also going to contour my nose. I'm grabbing the beauty blender that I use for my foundation just to blend this out. Now to set everything, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder that I used before on my eyelids. I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and I'm going to be setting under my eyes. And then after that, I'm going to be, what am I going to do next? Contour. I'm going to set my contour. I didn't grab a contour brush. Okay, but we're going to wing this. I have this flat top brush from Sigma. I'm going to take a little bit of this and just... Don't be like me, guys. I don't feel like getting up to get my contour brush. Ooh, this is snatched. My nose looks hella snatched. For blush, I'm using this MAC blush in Dolly Make. I'm just going to be dabbing this all over my cheeks. This is sort of like a really rosy pink, and I just love the way this looks on my skin tone. Put a little bit on my nose and on my lip. I'm going ham with this product. So next, I'm going to be skipping highlight. I know, right? But lately I've been liking the way my makeup looks without the highlight. It just gives like a really matte, really like a sleek look. So I'm gonna be jumping to what am I doing next? Setting spray. Setting spray. So for setting spray, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe Mist setting spray to set everything and put it all together. And while that dries, I'm gonna be taking this Benefit the Real Mascara and just doing my lower lashes. And last but not least, for lips, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop, if I could find it. Actually, I'm going to be using this MK eye pencil that I'm going to use as a lip pencil to line my lips. I gotta sharpen it first, hold on. To line my lips. Hold on. Excuse me. And next I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have the little mini ones right here. This one is in the shade Bittersweet, and this one is in Hudson. I'm taking Hudson first, and I'm going to line the outline of my lips. Now I'm taking Hudson just to put in the center of my lips to give it a cute little ombre effect. Alright, so if I'm not going to wear gloss, I'll just leave it like this. If I was going to wear gloss, I would probably put like a regular or beauty supply store gloss on top of my lips. Or I'll add this NYX lingerie lip product on my lips. It doesn't really matter. But today I'm kind of feeling this like this entire lip, like the cheeks, the lips, the eyes. I'm really feeling it, guys. Like, God, I just love my shit. But yeah, this is the finished look, guys. Besides me setting my face one more time, this is all I do on an everyday basis that I want to go out and I want to look decent, or when I want to just basically take pictures when I'm cute. So I'm just going to spray my face one more time for good measure. Ooh, hot mama. That feels good. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. This is the finished look. As you guys can see, if you enjoyed this video, leave a big thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe because you're already here. Might as well just do it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And